Hi kids, I'm Leslie Kale Villarreal, and I was just about to film a new class and wanted to pause and tell you about a new addition to my workbench that I'm digging. It's the Durston's new task light, and it's their LED light, and I really love it. It's very lightweight and it's not terribly expensive. The way this light works is it's fully dimmable and it's LED, and if you guys know anything about LED, the light bulbs will probably live longer than you, so you don't really have to worry about changing the bulb. I needed some sort of better lighting, not only for filming, but for working close up. And I didn't want one of the really heavy ones that go on top of your bench, because pulling it down, I couldn't get it close enough, and I've got an odd setup here with my roll top kind of workbench. So this new one that I have is Durston's new LED clamp-on bench lamp. Task light. And it is really great. It's nice and lightweight. It has a nice arm, and I can position it anywhere I want. It has a very cool clip-on piece, which I'll show you in just a minute. And it has 3 settings, and they're all dimmable, so you can make them lighter or darker. You know, you can get 3 different types of light. So let me just... The Durston LED bench light has a 3-light control system with CCT correlated color temperature ranging from 3000 to 6000. Bright light for intricate work, warm light for general use, and cool lighting for normal working applications. Each setting is fully dimmable. Let me demonstrate the one-touch button. To turn on the lamp, a simple quick press and release. The first setting gives you a nice bright light for intricate work. Click again and you'll get the warm general use light. And the third setting gives you a cooler light. All the settings are simply controlled by one button. The intensity at each setting is fully dimmable and can be controlled by the same button. Now, if I want to dim one of these settings, I can simply just hold the button down and it will start making it bright, and the longer I hold it, it will go back around to dim. You can see it's dimming there now. I'll go to another setting and I can hold it down to dim it. You can see it's dimming down there. And if I keep holding it, it'll come back to bright again. Okay. It's really neat. So, and then to turn it off, it's simply a double click, like that. All right. Durston task lamp is 100 to 240 volts with a USA 2-prong plug. Use a locally sourced adapter to fit your local outlet. Body is 20 inches long by 3.5 inches wide at its widest point, and both arms are 19 inches long. Now, as you can see, I have mine clamped over there to the side of my workbench, and that way I don't have to screw on or do any damage to my roll top. The clamp can be opened to a maximum of 2 3/8 inches, so almost 3 inches. And the lamp draws 18 watts max and has 182 LEDs behind its diffusion shade. So when I'm working at my bench and I want to bring this nice and down low, I can get it right where I want it. And this will give me plenty of light, and it'll light up my area really nicely. And like I said, you can turn it, you can move it around. If I'm over here, you know, maybe working on my anvil, I can just move the lamp over. So wherever you position it can be very helpful to whatever your needs are to use it. So thanks for checking out this video. If you want one, go to ottofrei.com and look for the Durston LED black clamp-on bench lamp. I think you might dig it. It's pretty cool. Okay? Thanks so much. And if you want to check out my online classes and more free video tutorials, you can go to lesliekalevillarreal.com and check me out. Thanks again, and have a great day, and keep making pretty things. Check out my friends at ottofrei.com and find the perfect deal for you and start saving today.